Hey guys, for this video, we are going to check out the HG Carbon Reinforcing Plate JCUP 2025 edition. Let's go! Alright, so let's open this up and then let's check out what's inside. Now you will get the plate itself, and then you will also have like a washers, a regular screw, and some nut here, and also the manual. It will give you some instructions or suggestions on how you can install this in your on your chassis. Okay, let's talk about the design. So here you can see there's a print high-grade carbon on the left side, and then in the middle, mini four-wheel drive, Japan Cup 2025, and on the right side there's the Tamiya logo. So let's compare this HG carbon plate to the regular FRP for Super X chassis. Now for me, this is the same. They serve the same purpose. It's just that this is well, a new design and a new print. You have a nice print on your plate, okay, but the placement of the screw hole, it's the same. All right, so as you can see, okay, I will align it here. There you go. Okay, so it's supposed to look like this. Okay, so it's very same. You just have, instead of you have a round corner here, you have now like there's an edge here on this side and also on the left side. But length, yes, same. Okay, height, yes, the same. Let's see what it looks like when you use this as an anti-sabit. So I just follow how I installed my anti-sabit. Okay, so there we go. Okay, now let's see what it looks like when you use the last hole here, so you can move the plate closer to your tires. You look like this. Okay, now also I'm curious, what if you're going to use this for your CFM chassis, right? Let's see. I have here an S2 chassis, but the placement of the screw here is very similar to CFM. So let's see. All right, there you have it. So this is what it looks like when you place it in front. I see some racers, they use anti-sabit as their instead of the FRP mount. They use the anti-sabit. I see some racers doing it. So here's what it looks like if you're going to use this for your front plate or FRP. Okay, personally, if you would ask me if I'm going to buy this one and use it as an anti-sabit, yes, definitely, because first, it's HG. It's 1.5 millimeter, so it's thicker than the regular FRP. And durability wise, yes, it's more durable than this one. And then second, I like the looks. It gives me a good vibe on this one, even though this is not a curved one, the one on the side. It looks good for me. Watch out for my next video. I'll be reviewing this one. Okay, so let's see if you can put this in the front section of your MA, just like what I have right now, if it will fit or not. And then also what it looks like when you install it in the rear section of MA, and then also for if it will fit on the 3-point attachment for the CFM, and also for FMA. I believe you can also use this rear plate for FMA, S2, VZ. So we will tackle all those chassis chassis on the next video. We are inviting you to visit the Attic Yarn and Hobby Studio in Marikina City and experience a wonderful time building and playing with your Tamiya car. We have daily fun race, time attack, and multi-tournament. Track layout changes every month to make things challenging. I hope you learned something from this video. Stay safe and have fun racing.